So adjective, it is a word that add extra information about noun and pronoun. Okay, so it basically describing word, it is a describing word. Now let's take an example. Ram is a good boy. Okay, so here Ram is proper noun and boy is a common noun, right? And good is a adjective. So here good, which is adjective describing noun, which noun? Here boy, which is a common noun. Because this is a rule, adjective always describe noun which is near. Because in this sentence, like Ram is a good boy, Ram and boy both are noun, right? But here good boy, so here good, which is adjective describing the nearest noun, which is boy, which is a common noun, right? For example, she has a big house. Okay, so she has a big house, so big is a adjective, and here adjective is describing which noun? House noun, which is near. So why we use adjective? Because adjective gives a clear structure, clear meaning. Like Ujjwal is a boy, but Ujjwal is a good boy, so that's clear meaning. So the question can come like Ram is a good boy, so here good describe what? Which is object. This object is describe what? Which is boy, which is noun. And which word modified by good? So which is boy, right? So it's same. So adjective is nothing but telling the khasiyat, like she has three car, this is a red car, so red is adjective. So yeah, this is like so there are types of adjective. Okay, so first is the quality. So it is a adjective of quality, it describes the quality, the character. So like beautiful girl, honest man, tall boy, so it is telling the quality and character, right? So there is a girl, but she is a beautiful, so beautiful girl, so beautiful, honest, tall, these are the adjective in telling the quality. Now second is the quantity. So it is a adjective of quantity, it show amount. Okay, so like some water, much milk, a few helmet, so these are what this showing the quantity. Now the third types of adjective is number, it show the number, order. So it can be two types, cardinal and ordinal. Cardinal is like 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to unlimited, and ordinal is like first, second, third, fourth, fifth. It is a cardinal. Okay, so example could be he has two pen, which is cardinal, and C is in first class, so first is a ordinal. Okay, now fourth type is demonstrative adjective. What is demonstrative adjective? It points the noun, simple, it point out the noun. Example, this book, that book, these boys, those boys, so this book, so book is a noun, so here this, that, these, those, is pointing the noun. That's why this, that, these, those here is a adjective. Now fifth is a possessive adjective, it's showing the ownership, like your car, mine car, his car, you know the sixth is interrogative adjective, the sixth type. It used in question mostly before noun. For example, which book, what time, so in which book, and question mark, so book is noun, and before noun we used which, what, how, like, so this is an interrogative adjective. Okay, now the seventh one is distributive adjective. So it refer individually. Okay, for example, each student, every boy, either side, so it is like refer individually. Distributive adjective is refer individually. Now the eighth one is a proper adjective. Proper adjective made from the proper noun. For example, Indian culture, so here Indian is a proper noun and culture is a common noun. So here in this, Indian is a proper adjective, it will be proper adjective because it comes from the proper noun. American food, so American is a proper adjective and food is a common noun. Okay, now comparison of adjective we will learn. So we call it degree of comparison. So degrees of three: positive, comparative, and superlative. So positive example will be tall, comparative will be taller, and superlative will be tallest. So for example, Ram is a tall, Syam is taller than Ram, and Mohan is tallest. Now add er and est to make comparative and superlative. For example, a small, a smaller, we used er at the end. A smallest, we used est. For again, we can use more and most. More is for comparative and most is for superlative. Like beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. And then again, irregular adjective. Irregular adjective will be like, good, better, best, bad, worse, worst. So this is not kind of sequence wise, like a small, a smaller, a smallest. So that's why we're calling irregular adjective. Now position of adjective, where we should use adjective in a sentence. So two ways, before noun or after verb. So before noun will be a big house. So house is a noun. So before noun house we used big. So big is here adjective. So here before noun we used, and after verb is like the house is big. So here house is a noun, and after that we used each, the house each. So is a verb, okay, and after verb we are using adjective which is big. So the house is big.